NCERT Class 11, Chapter 11, Thermal Properties of Matter, question number 11.21. It has four parts which we need to explain. The part A you see says a body with larger reflectivity is a poor emitter. Now you say that the sum of the absorptivity, reflectivity, and transmittivity of a body is 1. Now, if I see if the reflectivity is very high, then the absorptivity is going to be very less because the sum has to be a constant. Now, by Kirchhoff's law, we know that a good absorber is a good emitter, and now you can see that a good reflector is a poor absorber, and thereby it is also going to be a poor emitter. Now, for part B, it says a brass tumbler feels colder than a wooden tray on a chilly day. The reason is the conductivity, and since brass has higher conductivity, then obviously because of the temperature difference, the brass is going to be having a higher amount of heat being conducted from the body to the brass, and thereby it feels to be more colder because of the sudden loss of heat. And since wood is of low conductivity, the rate of heat flow from body to the wood is going to be slow, and thereby it will appear to be less cold. Now, option C, it says an optical pyrometer calibrated for an ideal blackbody radiation gives low to low a value for a temperature of a red hot iron piece in an open, but gives the correct value of the temperature when same piece is in furnace. Now you see, in a furnace, obviously the temperature of body is very high and it behaves like a black body, and the emissive power is sigma into T raised to power 4. But when it is in open space and it is having obviously a low temperature, the emissive power is going to be sigma E, and obviously it is not going to be behaving like a black body now, into temperature raised to power 4 minus T naught raised to power 4. And thereby you can see, since this value has reduced, thereby the optical pyrometer will turn out to be giving the less value of temperature. Now D, it says that the earth without its atmosphere would be inhospitably cold. The reason is that the earth's atmosphere, it behaves as a envelope, and which is trapping the heat to keep it warm, and earth's atmosphere has low conductivity, and because of the less conductivity, the rate of conduction of heat through the atmosphere is very less, and thereby it traps most of the heat. Now option E, it says heating system based on circulation of steam are more efficient in warming a building than those based on circulation of hot water. The reason is very straight, that the latent heat of steam is very high, and thereby the conversion of steam to water will liberate more amount of energy in comparison to the energy released by water by decreasing its temperature, and thereby the heating system based on circulation of steam are much more efficient.